How to translate text quickly in Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly translate any text using Google Gemini. Whether it's for school, work or travel, this trick will save you tons of time. Let's get started. First things first, you can go to your Gemini app or the Gemini browser, and then under the chat box, you need to just paste the text that you want to translate, or you can even write the text you want to translate. And then now just give in the prompt. So I want to translate this to English. So I'll write that and then I'll just hit send. And then after a while, you can see that the translation is I'm coming from Germany. And then that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you have a long paragraph or a document, you can go to the plus icon on the bottom left and you can directly upload the file that needs translation. There you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.